Dear students, welcome to Yarn PPM Services Class 1. How to create EPS Enterprises Project Structure. Go to Start, click Primavera, yes, give password as admin. The login name and password should be same, and be ensure that your caps lock is off. ADMIN. Click OK. Here go to Enterprises Project Structure. Here add, so here your EPS, just isolate it, give left, give up. It is now isolated. So here in EPS you can give your company name. Example, if you are working in L&T, give L&T lesson and India Limited. Okay, now we created EPS. Okay, what is this? EPS ID and EPS name, responsible manager. This is predefined responsible manager is there. If you want to work in construction industry, okay, infra industry, you can choose infra. Or if you want to choose transportation, okay, this predefined responsible manager is there. If you want to choose a new, I will tell you in the next classes how to create our new responsible manager. Okay, now close it, and the next step to view our EPS. So we created our EPS. So where is this? How to view that? Okay, go to projects. So here you can find out our created EPS. Okay, now we are going to create a project under Larsen Tibro. Okay, so this is our company name. Our company got a small projects like G+3 villa. Okay, now we are going to add the small project under our company name. Okay, give new here. Here you can see new, delete, cut, copy. These options is same for projects, EPS and WPS and activities. Okay, so here you can see our current selected EPS, Larsen Tibro India Private Limited. Okay, here you have the option to change our EPS. If you want to select, you can select this EPS. Okay, if you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, if you want to change this EPS, you can change here. So here the EPS has been changed. Okay, now we are working with the L&T. So give next, project ID. If you want to construct a villa, give B1 is our project ID. Construction of G+3 story villa at Dubai, UAE. Okay, give next. This is our planned start date. This date you have to check it with your tender document. Okay, commencement date. If you know the commencement date of the project, just key in. Example, 1st June is our commencement date, and the project duration is 6 months. Just add 6 months. Where it is come? November 30 is our completion date. This data must have some dates. If you want to jump without adding dates, okay, I will show you. Now I want to jump this dialog box without adding dates. Give next. It is going, but it is not advisable. You must give date in this November. Okay, November 30. Okay, you must give some dates, because we have to track our slippage or delay of a project. Because you give must finish date, we can find out, we can track our total float. So I will tell you in future upcoming classes about total float. So what is total float, we can see in my next classes. Okay, so now give next. So here responsibility manager is predefined one. If you want to change, if you want to give your own responsibility manager, you have to define it first, because we didn't define. This has to define first to create our own responsibility manager. So but in this case we can follow the predefined responsibility manager if we wish. Okay, in future we can change it. Here rate per type, price per unit, and here we have two options. One is run project architect, do not run project architect. The default option is do not run project architect. What is project architect? Project architect having many templates. So if you want to use that templates in your current projects, you can go and import it. Okay, this is this is what project architect. Okay, so we can go next. Okay, we created a new project under Lawson Pro. Okay, keep finish. Here what we created. Okay, so this class is class number 1 is over here. In this class we saw how to develop a EPS and project under a EPS. Okay, in next classes we can see how to develop a project under this how to develop a WPS under this project. So now first step, create company name. Second step, create project. Third step, create WPS. Okay, so our next class will be how to create WPS and activities. Okay, thank you.